Alrighty, so what I've got here is I got the, as I said, actually I didn't intro this video yet. I'm going to be using the Onetigris Stove, which I did a video on and I haven't used in a few months. I actually haven't constructed this thing in months, so this may be a horrendous looking video because I haven't done it in a while. I don't think I'm going to need that because that's for the Trangia. This is the back. This is the side. And this is the other side. And the bottom, oh actually, like this goes on the bottom. I'm going to put this up on the upper, like that. And you guys can't even see that. So, let's do sides in. Set this on there and bring these two sides in if I can. Sweet, I did it. And I use the rocks as a natural backdrop. And those are for the top. Sweet. Make sure I don't have any sparks flying anywhere. And alright, let me get that. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm gonna be doing dinner tonight on the Onetigris Stove. I actually haven't used this stove in months, so it's been quite a while. Which is part of the reason why I wanted to do these kind of videos on every outing, whether it be a day trip or overnight or whatever. Yeah, just come out, use the stove, and try to use a different stove on each trip. So I got the stove set up, I got some tinder ready, I got some lichen, some old man beard, and yeah, let's get to work. Alright, so I gotta find a flatter spot for this stove. I guess there will have to do. Find something I can prop it up with just a bit. How about this? So fire danger is low, but still I want to make sure I'm safe, so I got a whole bottle of water. I'm not making a huge fire because I'm just boiling water. And what I got here is I got some dry lichen. I'll be using the Gorilla Survival, Holtzman Gorilla Survival knife and the scraper. So I want to get this in there now, so I don't want to light it. Ooh, these things are coming off. There we go. So if the lichen takes up, maybe I can set it right there, and then if it hits, I can just push it down with a stick and then start putting the fuel on. Alright, let's see. What am I doing? You know, Mark, that's not a ferro rod, that was a knife. Dude, I still haven't given this knife a proper, actual use, but I need to do that. I will be doing that. I'll get rid of all the outer stuff. I'll throw some sparks, pretty nice. Come on, lichen. What's going on with this stuff? go. Some fuel on here. Nice. Like it was being a little bit troublesome, but I don't think it was. I wouldn't blame the ferro rod for that. Like it's just kind of like that sometimes. Oh man, the thing's really flaring up. And of course, I left my cook set, dinner, and everything else over on the over at my shelter, so I gotta go get it. Let's build up some coals. Whoa. Dang. Alright, I got my food bag here. Tonight's dinner is going to be beef stroganoff from Mountain House, one of the better ones. Water boiling. I don't have to really wait for water or coal since I'm just boiling. Wow, okay. I do have the thing here. Glove. You know, I thought I could just stick that on there without a glove, but I was wrong. Oh, come on. Alright. Oh man, I burned a hole in my... Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? Wow, as long as it doesn't fall in, whatever. So it's 2 cups of water. I'll do just a little less. Man, I can't believe I burned a hole in my glove. I guess better than burning my hand though. Well, I kind of melted the thumb too. Alright, well, good thing they're cheap gloves, but damn. Go. Oh no! Oh crap! That's great. Spilled my stroganoff all over the ground. Awesome. Alright, you'll see how badly I screwed this up by spilling it. Can't believe I did that. It actually doesn't look too bad. I lost some of the water too, but it actually looks just like stroganoff. I'm actually packing up. I was packing up to leave while I was hydrating, because I heard thunderclouds. So and my battery's dying. I had to change batteries. First world problems. I was actually saying it's actually rehydrated really well. I usually write the date on it, but I didn't. Oops. I don't want to eat. Well, alrighty, there we go. Love the stove still. If there's any stoves you'd like to see me use, yeah, just comment below. Really on any video. I mean, I'm gonna get to them eventually. So yeah. Anyway, check the end cards, all that stuff for in the description. There'll be links too. So as always, have a good one. We'll catch you in the next one.